Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making mutton samosas. Chopped onion 2 cups, minced mutton 1 cup around 250 grams, green peas 1 cup. Oil 2 tablespoons. Onion chopped. Saute for 2 minutes. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. I upload homemade ginger garlic paste video. If you guys don't know how to make, go and watch that video. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoons. Boiled green peas. Minced mutton 250 grams. Mix everything. Close the lid, cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Now stuffing is ready. In a bowl, water 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix everything. Samosa sheets. Fold samosa like this. Apply all-purpose flour paste. Freeze up to 3 months in refrigerator. For frying samosas, oil for frying. On medium heat, oil fry until changes color, both sides. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you get notified. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.